So I am doing 2 videos so I can post the other one on YouTube. It's gonna look crazy because I'm gonna be looking at different places, but this is one box and it's super cool because it has all of our pictures. So if you see, that's me! Yay! And all of the others amazing artists. By the way, congratulations to all of you who made it to the top 20. And yeah, this card that says, "We hope you enjoy these goodies," brought to you by NYX Professional Makeup and our amazing sponsors. Our sponsors are Target, Redken, Vichy, Clarisonic, Kitsch, and Audio Network. First, I want to say, there's no words that can express my gratitude for all of you guys that voted for me. You're the reason why I'm in the top 20. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Clarisonic. Okay, so they sent us this time. This is like different type of brushes for the I don't remember the name of that, like the little thing they sent us. Yes, but yeah. And also a Radiance Foaming Milk Cleanser. Look at that. Showing. Okay, that's Clarisonic. Thank you so much, Clarisonic. Woo! What's this? Oh, what the heck? Oh, so cool! Audio Network. This is from Audio Network. Señores, esa página de Audio Network, for people that, okay, tengo que organizarme. For people that make edit videos or blogging or anything, Audio Network is perfect. You can find any type of music that you need. Go there, go to their website, and you'll see that. Wait. Okay, ¿qué es esto? Esto es the shower cap reinvented. Okay, that's what it says. Shower cap reinvented. Woohoo! This is cool. Oh, I see. I love it because I have natural hair and my hair gets very, very frizzy. Really frizzy, and this helps a lot for that. So thank you. So you do this, and then you do that, and I kind of look fancy right now. I'm not looking fancy. I know. Okay, so elevated shower cap. You want to see that? Sorry, I'm looking at the cameras. I know I've said it like 30 times, but ooh, that's cool. Look at this, people. This is a oh my god, this is a shower cap. I'm gonna stay with this on. This is so cool. Okay, next is, I hope I'm actually saying it right, because in Spanish it would be Vichy, but I don't know, it's probably Vichy. I just know that this is good stuff. I loved the booster. Esa marca, yo no sé cómo se pronuncia, pero me ha gustado bastante. Me lo estoy poniendo todos los días y es exquisita. And another cleanser and more mineral water for my skin. Okay, this is perfect. This is good stuff. Thank you so much. Woo! Amazeballs! And exfoliating body sponge. And this is hydrating seaweed bath. Okay. So this was from Target. Okay, so this is Redken. More stuff! More stuff! Congratulations! Another congratulations card. Digamos aquí. So this is specialty box. Look at my Paco. This is my little pup. I love him so much with all my heart. Look at that. Look at that. He's like, huh? I'm getting so excited that I'm forgetting to look at this camera, which is the one that I am going to put on my YouTube. Also, this Vivid Brights. They are, I've never tried those before. Yo nunca he usado estos, pero son como en crema y son colores very bright. Son colores super vibrantes. Así que, showing this. All of this is like for specialty, I would say, like for body painting and this type of things that we do. Baez, another box. Ta-ta! Look at this. Yeah, there's a lot of colors here. Glitters and pigments. Away we glow. This is a liquid booster. I have to see what this is all about. La cara. This is all the face box brush. Woo! These are the metallic colors. I always wanted this. Well, I picked a very bold color. Yo escogí un color muy, tú sabes, atrevido. Hay otros que son más suaves, como verán. Pero miren qué chulo, ese es metálico. Okay, more lip colors. These are vinyl, strictly vinyl. I haven't tried this yet, but I am pretty sure I'm gonna love it. More metallic, they're so, señores, pero qué belleza. O sea, miren qué belleza. Don't say it, but these are amazing. And more colors. I don't know where I'm gonna put all of this, I'm telling you. So, esto. This is ice. Oh my gosh. Tan 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 tan. This is only ice. Okay, here more eyeshadows. Tan tan. They're like more neutral colors except for this one. And look at this. Oh, that's a beautiful blue. Look at that. Eyelashes. Lots of them, and in this case they sent duo. Thank God, because I'm almost done with it. And more eyeliners. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Glazed and confused. Glazed and confused. I don't know what this is, but I know it's eyes because it came in the ice box. Oh. O sea, yo lo voy a probar porque es que ustedes entienden que yo me como que me emociono. I'm already like doing a makeup here because you know, I just needed to try. There's 3 more colors of this one. This is gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so strictly vinyl pencil. A cream eyeliner. These are cream eyeliners, and there are 4 colors. More pigments. For the glitter, so you can put the glitter. Okay, ya para terminar, tools, so I can put all my stuff, my personal stuff. More blending sponges, which they are always welcome. Look at these brushes. Aren't they gorgeous? Isn't that cute? And there's more, and another more, and another one, and another one, and thank God they sent this because I already finished the one they sent. Esos son wipes y más esponjas y más esponja de tools. So let me tell you, I'm very, very, very excited about this one because you know I love dewy skin. I've been wanting to try this and I got it. Whoop, whoop. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching and for being so supportive, for supporting not only me but all of the other artists being in the competition. It's good to be nice to each other. It's good to be, you know, friendly, and it's been such an amazing experience for me that I've been knowing so many amazing people, amazing artists, and I'm just super grateful for all of that, for all of the experience. And I'm just, thank you NYX Professional Makeup for just open this opportunity for all of makeup artists in the world. And yeah, so this was a very spontaneous unboxing. I'm sorry for the mixing the languages, and I hope you enjoy it somehow. And yeah, I have nothing else to say for now, but we will back soon with a new makeup. Love you, everybody. Bye.